Hello, today we will guide you through how to add payment method in Framer. In this walkthrough, we'll create a clear call to action button and connect it directly to your payment or checkout page using a URL. This approach is straightforward and reliable, and it works well when you already have a hosted payment link ready to go. Start by opening your project in Framer. Once your canvas is visible, look to the Insert menu. This is where you bring new elements into your design. Open the Insert panel and search for Button. Using the search keeps things quick and helps you avoid scrolling through a long list of components. Drag the button onto your project's canvas and drop it where it makes the most sense in your layout. Place it in a prominent location with enough spacing so it's easy to see and tap. You can always fine-tune its position and size later. For now, focus on getting it onto the page. Next, change the button label to something clear and action-oriented. Double-click the button text and rename it to Buy Now. Short, direct labels like this reduce friction and make the button's purpose obvious. If your background is busy, consider ensuring the button contrast is strong enough to be readable at a glance. Now switch to your payment or checkout page in your web browser and copy the URL from the address bar. This should be the full, secure link that takes customers straight to a page where they can complete payment. Make sure it uses HTTPS and that it's a stable link intended for live use, not a temporary or preview link that could expire. Return to Framer and select your Buy Now button. With the button selected, look for the URL or link field in the Properties panel. This is where you control what happens when someone clicks the button. Click into that field and paste the URL you just copied. This connects your button directly to your payment provider, so a click will open the checkout page without any extra steps. That's the essential setup. You've placed a button, named it clearly, and linked it to your payment page. Keep in mind that design details such as color, size, and hover states can improve visibility and trust, but the core connection comes from that URL. If you ever update your payment provider or link, just return to the same field and replace the address. With this in place, your visitors can move smoothly from your Framer site to a secure checkout, helping you convert interest into completed purchases.